Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's gonna be a little different. Goodies! And guess what? I never ever show you guys the stuff I personally buy for myself and also some of these things to use on the show. So today I get a good box and it is filled with all the good stuff that I bought. So I want to share them with you. So let's get rolling. Let me show you. All right, so the first thing I'm going to pull out of the box is charcoal powder. Okay, so I am so interested in trying this charcoal powder. Now, I've never tried it before, so I have this recipe that I want to use charcoal powder in, and I went and I bought a big old pack. So this is charcoal powder, and you're gonna start seeing a lot of videos with charcoal powder. Not right now because I like to try things first. So charcoal powder it is. Also, I get to understand that you could actually, consume charcoal powder, which I'm gonna try. I think I'll do that for you guys on camera. My first time trying charcoal powder. So this is 8 ounces, and I think 8 ounces is gonna last a long time. So I bought myself a pack of charcoal powder. Now I'm gonna share with you another item in the box that I don't normally use on the show. I bought it for myself over and over and over, but because it's on the pricier side, I tend not to show it. But I've been getting a lot of requests. Do you use this? Do you use this? So I think I might make a few videos using it. But personally for me, I buy it for myself. And this is rosehip oil. So this is 100% pure, cold press, premium grade rosehip oil. And rosehip oil is wonderful for the skin, guys. I have this wonderful combination of oils. I think I'm going to share that oil with you that I make, and I use rosehip oil and some other good stuff for the skin. And so I got a bottle of rosehip oil. When you're buying rosehip oil, look for premium grade. You're gonna use it on your skin, so you want the best. Okay, so don't just buy inferior. Look for a really good pure rosehip oil. All right, so that's number 2 from my box. And the next one is, guess what, guys? I bought myself a aloe vera gel. All right, now this is 100% pure natural aloe vera gel. And the reason for that is I want to see what is the difference using the bottle gel compared to using the fresh aloe vera. Okay, so I want to compare them. However, I did not just go and pick up any bottle of aloe vera gel. I tried to find premium grade, organic, 100% pure aloe vera gel. So I am going to be comparing this to the fresh aloe vera gel, and I'm going to be using this to make a lot of serums and stuff like that. You know what I mean. But guys, don't worry, I'll share some of these things with you. As I said before, I try not to venture too much in sharing like things that cost a little bit more than the norm, because I know that these things could really push the budget up. All right, and the next item is rosemary. Oh, I probably need to get some rosemary oil. This is rose water. So I'm trying a new brand, and as usual, it is 100% pure, organic Moroccan rose water. It's my skin, guys, so I look for the pure stuff. All right, so here is a bottle, and believe it or not, when I look at this online, it looked like a big bottle. When I saw it in the box, I was like, oh, what happened? But you always have to make sure you check the ounces when you're buying stuff. Check the weight, because you could see a bottle look like really, really big, and guess what? It is a small bottle. This is 4 ounce. I thought I was buying something like at least an 8 ounce. So this is 100% pure organic Moroccan rose water. And drum roll, box is getting empty. The next thing that I have in my box is vitamin E oil. Now, this is not any old vitamin E oil. This is like the good stuff. This is the strong, pure. As a matter of fact, this is 28,000 IU. 28,000 IU, not 500 grade now, 28,000. And this came with a dropper. Therefore, when I'm using this, it's gonna be like, boom, 1 drop. And then you could use it with some other oils to, blend it out a bit. So, pure vitamin E oil, 100% pure, 28,000 IU. So just a little drop of this goes a long way. And that's the reason why they make this one with the dropper, because it is very, very, very concentrated. Okay, now if you could afford to get one of these, listen guys, do not run out and buy all of these things. Please don't. You could buy 1 or 2. If you don't have it, do not sweat it. I am not gonna come on and make videos with using all these things to, dry you guys' pocket. No, I'm not gonna do it. However, these are some of the things I use personally for myself, and I share them with you. I am not gonna make a recipe with this, that. I always try to go on price point. Okay, all right. And guess what, guys? You guys always complain that, oh, I can't find it, I can't find. This is vitamin A, guys, and I have 2 small bottles, and these are 100 soft gel. So there's 100 soft gel in each bottle. Okay, guys, so you can find vitamin A out there, but you gotta go to like the pharmacy or places like this. And this brand actually do I don't even know if I can say these things anymore. Okay, so let me not put myself in trouble. But if you go to the pharmacy, just look around, you will find vitamin A. And look, this is what, and look guys, look, this is what they look like. See, very, very tiny. So to use this, oh, I didn't come prepared. So here, guys, see how tiny? And this is capsule filled with oil. And this one is 8,000 IU. So it's not as strong, not even half as strong as the vitamin E oil. However, vitamin A is great at 800. You don't need to go higher, because you always have to mix the vitamin A with something. You have to blend it with something, because it tends to be so strong that it could irritate the skin. So let's say I'm going to use a face oil. I'm only going to be using one of this little tiny capsule. I'm going to prick it, squeeze the oil out in whatever I'm making, and that's for one use. Barely anything is in one of this capsule, but it's so concentrated, it's so good, you don't need to use more. This is all you need to have your skin looking really, really young and fresh. So that's it for my little order today, guys. And to recap, I bought 2 bottles of vitamin A oil and aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, rosehip oil, rose water, and charcoal. Okay, guys, so Okay guys, so that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Leave your comment. Tell me what you think about the charcoal. Also guys, the fact that I've never used the rosehip oil on the show, let me know in the comment box below if you guys want to see my awesome anti-aging oil that I make with the rosehip oil. Now, you got to spend a little to make this oil, all right? So I'm warning you guys. However, let me know if you want me to share this wonderful recipe with you. Thank you all for watching. Again, thank you all for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video, leave your comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.